Here we go, folks. Michael Platt Motors, Anderson, California. We're at it again. 1961 Chevrolet Apache 10 pickup truck. This thing is awesome. It is a lifetime California Chevrolet. You can tell by that plate. And we got some serious family history on this one. I'm out here with my buddy Eric. I sold his mom's Ford a while back, and now he's ready to sell the first vehicle that he ever had. He drove it to high school, had some fun with it, eventually got something else. They parked it in the barn, and he brought it out maybe about 6 months ago and gave a nice refreshment. Family purchased in 1970. Eric started driving it to school in 76, and they've had it all these years. Look at that Apache front end. Dad was a trucker, so they had a paint shop. I'm sorry, he was a logger. Trucking company for loggers. They had a paint shop, so they eventually got it painted this kind of deep red color back in the day, and it's been in the family for a long time. Just had brake work, just got some new shoes. That 6-cylinder is original, and it is running like a top. We're running on 235 75 15s, new brakes, new tires, running like a sewing machine here. Look at this beautiful lifetime California Chevrolet Apache 10 pickup truck. Let's take a closer look. The wood in the back rotted out through the years, and so we just got some plywood down here. So, but they got those kits. They don't break the bank too much, and you could have a nice oak bed in the back if that's your thing. It is a long bed. I know some of you guys love the shorties. I like the long ones. We got original gauges, original steering wheel. Look at this panel here. And look at that. I mean, it doesn't get any more authentic than this truck is. Speedometer says 39,012. We're not really sure whether those miles are original or over. So like all the oldies, we'll sell it with TMU. But like I said, it's been around the ranch for a long time, been in the family a long time, been in the barn a long time. And so you just never know. But we'll let you make that decision. She's got her tag over here. We got the VIN tag right here. So we're all set as far as that's concerned. Small back window. Just a beautiful